Did you know that Bruce Lee could punch so fast that cameras couldn't capture his movements? Film crews had to ask him to slow down just so audiences could see what he was doing. But speed isn't everything in martial arts. The most dangerous fighters know when to be lightning fast and when to be patient as a snake. Take boxing legend Muhammad Ali. He didn't just throw fast punches. He studied his opponents for rounds, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Meanwhile, Brazilian jiu-jitsu fighters can lie on their backs looking completely helpless, then suddenly twist their bodies and make much bigger opponents tap out in seconds. The secret isn't being the fastest or strongest. It's about timing and technique. A skilled karate master can break wooden boards with a single strike, not because they're superhuman, but because they know exactly where and when to hit. Even in Muay Thai, fighters use their elbows and knees like precision weapons, finding the perfect angles that multiply their power. The real martial arts masters understand that true power comes from the mind, not just the muscles.